Hello, YouTubers. I am back. We are going to do Let's Do Valentine. So, I was on a website for Kirkland's and I saw this beautiful vase with some roses in it. And I thought $79 is a lot of money. And these trying times, we're all trying to save some money. So, I went to the Dollar Tree and found a vase, found some glass beads, which was in the floral area as well, and also picked up six varieties of flowers, all different color tones of roses, and some also baby's breath. So, in the course of me doing this, I used three of the roses, two of the baby's breath, and half of the glass beads in this jar. So that means if you technically think of it, I spent $6 on this. I saved $72 in this, and that to me was like, wow. So if I can do it, I know you can do it. And there's so many beautiful flowers at the Dollar Tree, and they have some really pretty vases that are in there also. I didn't find one exactly like the one that they had in the photo, but glass is glass, and we just want to make it classy. And we did. And we saved a lot of money. So I can't wait to put this on my dining room table and display it for everyone. So thank you very much for being here. I hope this video inspires you to make some beautiful floral decorations for your family as well. Thank you for being here, and please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Thank you, and you have a great day.
Hi, my name is Robin, and this is Coco. This is our 50th cut. Please like and subscribe to our channel. We'd really appreciate it. Please comment below. That way she don't have to do this no more.